So guys, I did a little bit more in this video than what I was originally planning on doing in the introduction. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you my raised flower bed. I'll show you our big garden, and then I'll also show you our chicken coop. So guys, stay tuned and enjoy. What is going on, guys? My name is Nathan Christ, and I am the owner of Daisy Dukes Landscaping. That's right, Daisy Dukes Landscaping, located just outside of Charlotte, North Carolina. And today in this video, what I want to be talking about is what the whole world is talking about. The coronavirus, right? It is March 23rd, yes, March 23rd, 2020. But guys, I don't want to focus on the negativity side of things. I'm a pretty positive guy, and I always believe that negativity breeds negativity, just like positivity breeds positivity. So everything that I talk about, I want to try to stay positive. The first thing that I want to just say is, guys, we don't know what we're in store for. We've never really dealt with anything like this before. So I encourage you guys to do everything you can to use the best universal precautions that you can to, one, help you from getting it, two, help you from spreading it, and three, help make yourself sufficient so that you don't need to take unnecessary risks. There's all sorts of different things that you can do to prepare yourself. Guys, let me show you what I'm talking about. This weekend, we took a little bit of time to till up our garden, and we actually built a chicken coop. And now, guys, don't get me wrong, this thing is not the most attractive thing that you've ever seen. It's never going to be pinned on Pinterest. It's very rudimentary by design, but guys, it works. It keeps the chickens in. They've got a place where they can lay eggs, and we've got a place where we can easily access it and harvest the eggs. And guys, all these things were either scrap pieces of wood or different things that I had just laying around the house. And the other things, the old trampoline and the frame for the chicken coop itself, the actual structure, guys, is an old swing set. And I just put a post on Facebook and asked, hey, do I have any friends that have an old trampoline or swing set that they're not using? And guys, I had a ton of people say, hey, look, come and get it. And guys, I took them up on that. And for those of you that did, thank you very much. You've been a blessing to us. So guys, it was super simple. I'm not going to go through the step-by-steps in this video, although I'd be happy to make a video in the future and show you what I did. But I'm just trying to tell you and prepare you and let you know that there's things that are laying around your house right now, everyday items that you can use to help make a chicken coop like what we did, or maybe make a raised bed to have a small garden this year. Do some fresh fruits and vegetables. There's things that you can do, there's things that we have done to help prepare us for the uncertainty that's ahead. And guys, that's pretty much all this video is about. It's just telling you there's things that you can do all around your property. There's things you can do even in a small house or even in an apartment. You can grow vegetables in pots and different things here shortly. So what I'll do is, as we're homesteading, as we're doing the things that we're doing at our property, I'll try to take videos and I'll try to update you guys on different things that you can be doing with, like I said, scrap materials that you have at home or things that you can find for free that will help better sustain you and your family. Now guys, by no means do I know everything. There's a lot of things that I don't know, but I grew up farming and I grew up around agriculture and I grew up obviously landscaping and working with my hands. So I'm pretty good at coming up with do-it-yourself projects and different things just out of scrap materials. So if you've got any questions, if you've got any comments about different things that you need to be doing or different things that you'd like to be doing, guys, feel free. Drop a comment below and I'll do everything I can to answer them for you. And who knows, like I said, I might be having a little bit more time on my hands. Maybe I'll be able to make some more videos specific to the questions that you are asking. So guys, that's it. I'm going to leave it at that. I hope everyone's doing well. I hope everyone's being safe. Continue to be safe. Continue to get better. And if there's anything that we can do for you, whether it's questions, whether it's videos, feel free, reach out to me, drop comments below. I think I already said that, but that's okay. I'm excited. I said it again. So guys, I wasn't actually planning on doing this, but since I'm here and since I've already got this going, I'm just going to go ahead and show you real quick how I made this. And it's not going to be a step-by-step, but it's just going to kind of be rudimentary what I did. So started out with obviously the frame of the trampoline. I took the bouncy part off, so if the bouncy part on your trampoline is damaged, perfect. But I was able to scrap enough of these poles for the net to give me a good size enclosure. And basically what I did was I used a 4-foot section of chicken wire, the actual metal kind, and I put it all the way around the bottom first. That's the first thing that I did. I put it all the way around the bottom. And then I got a 7-foot section of, this is called deer netting. I don't know why they call it deer netting, but they don't actually make a poultry netting in plastic. And so what I did is then I went around the top. I started at the top and I went as far as it would reach. So it does have a little bit of overlap on the chicken wire, and I went all the way around that. But I wanted to make sure that nothing could get in from the top. I don't think anything could really swoop down in from that angle, but I also wanted to make sure these guys could not fly out because I don't have their wings clipped. And so, by the time I even got that finished up there, they were already flying up to the top trying to roost. So it's a good idea to do that. Now then, moving on real quick to the swing set. The blue part obviously was the frame of the swing set. And basically what I did is I used scrap pieces from another trampoline to reinforce it. So this was the original bar on the swing set. And I don't know how sturdy it is, but you guys know most swing sets, you know, could withstand to be a little bit beefier. So I just took some of the poles and I just lashed them with a little bit of rope to the sides. And if I can get you a good angle, you'll be able to see the plywood, the platform, is actually sitting on top of those poles. So it did a really good job. And this is just, again, rudimentary, simple design. I had some old, it's not tin, this is actually fiberglass, but it's like roofing stuff. So I used this for one side. Oh, don't get out. Don't get out. Say hello. Yep, go back and lay in your eggs. Go back and lay in your eggs. So as you can see, I can access the eggs quickly. I can access them easily. And this is Houdini. That's how I had to close it real quick. Oh, Houdini, she's found, let's see if she finds her egg. Oh, there she is. Good girl. Good girl, yeah. Move it around, go lay on it. So, sorry guys, a little interruption there, but everything is kind of just rudimentary, just together. And it's not a how-to video, so I'm not going to go step by step with everything, but I just kind of wanted you guys to see what I was working with. And then one other thing that I did, well, first let me just show you this. So this bucket here, they've got these little cups, and I just drilled into the bucket, and I bought these cups on Amazon. And as they peck at these, it releases more water, and they're very quick to learning that. Very, very quick. So then the only other thing I did to reinforce the bottom of the trampoline part is I had these are actually construction stakes, but I actually just staked them down to keep a little bit of tension down here so the dogs can't get into them or nothing else can get into them. But guys, that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, one other thing. I made a long pole out of some of the trampoline parts to give them something to fly up and roost on. But and here's the garden. But as you can see, they've got shelter underneath. They can go underneath and get shelter, and they can climb up that little ramp, and they can come inside to their laying boxes. Yeah, good girl, sweet girl, yeah. Make me some more. Go on, get on there. So guys, real quick, that was it. Again, not the prettiest thing you've ever seen, but super effective and very, very, very low cost. And then since I'm doing everything else, real quick, here is one of our raised beds. This has got the irrigation already in here. It's kind of a drip line irrigation system, so it's super simple. I've got it run out here to a hose. I just got to hook up a hose there, and then I put it on a timer, and I can water it. So this is ready to be planted as well. Y'all, thanks for taking a few minutes to check out this video. If you found some value in it, do me a favor, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to us on YouTube, and follow us for more videos that will be coming out. Until then, these guys want to say, bark, bark, bark. Goodbye. All right, guys, take it easy.